How to find collection ID in Squarespace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can find collection ID in Squarespace. How do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in your web browser, go ahead and open up a new tab and type Google Chrome Web Store, like Google Chrome Store. So once you open it up, you'll be brought to another page. Click on it, and then once you're in the web store, in the search box, type out Squarespace ID Finder. All right, just type it out this way, and then once you've typed it out, you'll see it here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, by the right side of the screen, you'll see the option add to Chrome. I have it already, that is why it is displaying remove from Chrome. All right, so once you click add to Chrome, it will be downloaded and it will be saved to your extension tab in the tools bar. Yeah, then once that is done, go back to your Squarespace, then click on your site to edit it. And once you're on the edit screen, that is to edit your site, by the top right corner of the screen where your tools bar are located, click on the extension tab and then click on the Squarespace ID Finder. Then you'll be able to find your ID. It is that simple. Okay, so go ahead and find that collection ID today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.